Hi, this is RockinRobin, and today I'm in St. Augustine. I'm at the oldest store museum. Stay with us, I'll show you around. When you go to St. Augustine, one of the things that is included in a trolley tour is to view the oldest store museum. This is very, very interesting. It takes about an hour for the tour, but they tell you a lot and there is a lot to look at. So make sure you take a look around and you check it out. And you know what? You even get free penny candy.
We have a smaller version. I call that the Honey I Shrunk the Coffee Grinder model. Now that's perfect for home use. Same technology, but only sets you back $2.50. Now, if you did need this one, do you want to help me demonstrate how easy it is to turn? Come on over to this side, and instead of grabbing the handle, what folks do in the restaurant, so you love school, right? Kind of. We may want to rethink that answer in 1908. You don't have to go to school, we'll put you to work in a coal mine. How's that? Yeah, school sounded pretty good. Now, even if you're one of the lucky ones who goes to school, you've got a lot of choices, including feeding those chickens. Eggs are 19 cents a dozen. That's highway robbery, right? So, your folks keep a little, you keep some chickens at home. And he's got, gave us the incandescent light bulb. Holds over 1,000 patents. But he has stated, this is his greatest invention of all time. Right here. Giving you the gift of music.
You get a chance to learn about the items in the late 1800s and early 1900s. And it's a little interactive, which makes it a lot of fun.
In 1875, the very year we opened the store, he became the first author in the history of the world to use one of those things. That's right, sir, Mr. Mark Twain himself. Still very much alive and kicking in 1908.
Take a look around the store and leave me a comment telling me what you think was the most interesting.
Baking ingredients here. Even a clock good 2 times a day. Who wants to make me an offer, huh? Very important item. $40. Get her on the Price is Right. Yeah. You are right on the money. What's Isabel going to do here, folks?
Churn some butter.
We pour that cream in here. Move those agitating paddles up and down, Isabel. And you don't have to do it real hard. You're perfect there. Go a little bit faster. Yeah, that's pretty easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it just takes about 2.5 to 3 hours. And it'll finally solidify. You got your butter. Wow. Awful.
Well, this is Rockin' Robin. I hope you enjoyed our tour of the oldest store in St. Augustine. Before you go, please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, give us a big thumbs up, and watch all our videos all around Florida.